Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of a Skin Laundry giveaway that I won. They mailed me this box like the end of December, beginning of January, and now I get to share with you what it looks like inside the box. So inside the box we get these Purifying cleansing cloth, Wrinkle Release eye cream. You know, it's never too early to use those. Oh my god, something is leaking, Oh my god. This is actually totally my fault because I put it upside down, and I guess I used it in the way that the lotion, the nozzle got pressed down. This is the Daily Moisturizer. Bird air freshener. Yes. Oh my god, I've been wanting to try this. Extra deep gel face wash. Texturizing surf spray. Ooh, purifying shampoo. Yep, conditioner, hydrating body wash. Wow, these are actually all things that I've needed. Oh my god, and a little comb. This is so cute. I want to smell what the leak smells like, but I also want to show off my nails because I just did them. So some quick info about Skin Laundry. It's a facial shop, and I actually got a facial done in LA. You can see it in my LA vlogs. Your first facial is free, and then if you sign up after your first facial, you get to do it at discounted rates. It's laser facial, and they zap it. You can you can smell the stuff coming off of your skin, and I was glowing after. My friend Vivian was just like, dude, you're glowing, and I was like, stop lying. I actually found out about Skin Laundry before I even did the facial. I thought they were just a skincare brand. They were in Sephora a few years ago, and I always use the hydrating creamy face wash, something like that. It's just the hydrating face wash. I repurchased it for a second time, maybe even a third time, I'm not sure, but now it's only online. And then down the road I found out that they did facials. I entered a giveaway, and I have never won any giveaway. So shout out to Skin Laundry, and they paired up with Bird, all skin types, sulfate free, paraben free. So you know, when I'm dyeing my hair, I will definitely be using this so that I don't ruin the color. Yeah, I'm going to take you to my bathroom now. So first, what I'm going to do is test this Purifying cleansing cloth. I think this is what they gave me at the beginning of my facial too, just to get rid of impurities, and people do come in with makeup. It's just a pad. This would be really great for when I go on the go. That's after one solid swipe. So I'm not wearing any waterproof makeup. My brows are waterproof, I guess, but it's old pomade. So my liner today is just powder. I'm concerned about my eyelashes though, because I did use a primer for the first time, so it made my lashes a little longer. The mascara itself is not waterproof, but it's definitely staying on a lot more than usual. I didn't use that much makeup. I didn't wear real foundation. I just used a skin tint with some concealer on top. I really like this. It reminds me of a baby wipe. I'm going to try one more wipe to see if there's still any makeup on. I'm 100% sure that there is. There's not that much left. Okay, maybe a little bit. When I use the Neutrogena ones, it has so much left over too. So I'm going to go get my makeup remover for my eyes, and then I'll be back and try out the face wash. It's so dark right now, and I want to change the light bulbs. And you know, if something bad happens, at least it's clickbait. Oh my god, it's hot. I am so dumb. By George, she's got it. I really hope this is the broken one, but I'm not about to put it back and turn on the lights to see if I chose the right one or not. Oh my god, I'm sweating so much. How do you dispose of light bulbs? Low key, you should really get to know. Is it brighter now? Honestly, that one isn't working anymore. Who needs the gym when you can change light bulbs? You roll these up. And you might be thinking, why don't you just take off your cardigan? Well, because I don't want you seeing my armpits. I washed the majority of my makeup remover off. Now I'm going to try the extra deep gel face wash, because this is how I typically would take off makeup. Slurp. It doesn't smell like anything strong. It foams up just a little. Just a just aesthetically pleasing things. But yeah, you know, you can't really judge gel face washes when it's on your face like this, but I mean, it feels gentle. Squeaky clean. So I'm back in my room. My face is shiny because it's tight, and this is meant for normal to oily skin. It's just, I feel my skin feels like it just got Botox. Okay, that's a overstatement. It says to follow up with toner, so I'm just going to be taking my Witch Hazel from Belief, and it's just a standard toner. Most face washes always say to follow up with toner and moisturizers. When I was younger, when they say pat, I would always be like this. Wrinkle Release Eye Cream with Peptides. Wrinkle Release, Brighten and Tighten. It says to apply a small amount around the entire outer eye area with a gentle tapping motion. Avoid getting too close to the eye. Works wonders around the lip line too. Use morning and evening as the last step in your skincare routine. So if you use this in the morning too, I'm assuming you would want to put sunscreen over. It looks like this. This is what the applicator looks like. It says around the lip line too, so might as well the smile lines. It says avoid the eyes. I already got a lot of it in my eyes. Oh my god. It smells like herbs. I don't know if that's what's already on my hand, but it smells like herb. It's very liquidy. It's not like a cooling, like gel, like a mask or anything. It's just super liquidy. It almost reminds me of the Too Faced Coconut Primer, the Hangover Primer, because it's just so watery. But even though it's a gel, it's like sort of like it's a milky consistency. I like it, and it's never too early to worry about wrinkles. It takes a while to dry, but I did put a lot on. But you know what? My bags needs moisturizing. Last but not least, sunscreen. It is so important. When I was a kid, I hated sunscreen. My mom religiously put on sunscreen, and she made me put on sunscreen, but I just hated how it always felt. And now the sunscreen I'm using is okay, but I'm still on the lookout for a better sunscreen. It says to apply liberally to face and neck 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply every 2 hours as needed, avoid eye area, use after cleanser and toner, which I did. Yeah, honestly, sunscreen always tells you to apply 15 minutes before and 2 hours after, but let's be real, only put it in the morning. Oh, it's thick, or it looks thick. It's definitely a thick sunscreen. It's not a liquid one, which I usually prefer, and it smells like sunscreen. Maybe that smell will go away, but right now it smells a lot like sunscreen. So that one pump sort of got one section of my face. It really just smells like banana boat sunscreen. Like, it smells like what you would apply on before swimming. This brand though is like a medical brand, so I'm not surprised that this sunscreen smells how sunscreen really smells like. I've never had bad experience with Skin Laundry, so I'll be using this when my sunscreen runs out. I do look a little bit like a glazed donut, like a greasy glazed donut. Once it's on your skin though, you can feel it a little bit, just like the feeling of like sunscreen. It is drying nicely though. Like, this side is already starting to dry up and feel just smooth and soft. My face is starting to smell a little bit less like sunscreen. Overall, I guess I like everything. I just really could do without the smell of sunscreen. For a thick sunscreen, it is fine. Taking a second look, the greasiness is actually giving me a nice glow. It's like, for lack of a better word, greasiness, but I guess the face oils, it's not too bad. Like, it's not like I use banana boat sunscreen, but the oils are starting to like seep into my skin and dry. Oh my god, I always do this and I make my face ripple. Let's do slow-mo. Thank you so much, Skin Laundry, for sending me my box of goodies. I love it and I'm going to use it, and I will continue being a loyal customer. Bird products with a Y. If you guys want to see me do a bird review of all the shampoo and conditioners I got, then just let me know in the comments. Also, I am so jealous of Michelle and Cassie Randolph. They're so gorgeous, and Michelle Randolph is... Okay, so Cassie Randolph, she won The Bachelor, right? and her sister is Michelle Randolph, and she's the cover person for Skin Laundry. And then Michelle Randolph is dating Greg Sulkin, which is Alex Russo's boyfriend from Wizards of Waverly Place. So they're just literally gorgeous couples, like Colton, Cassie, Michelle, Greg, like wow. And I don't know, I just had to put that in my video because it's like a fun fact. But I mean, if you did your stalking like me, it's not hard to figure out. Okay, bye guys.